Hi boys and girls, here we are, Mrs. Faubert, Mrs. Kingsley. We are going to take you on a tour of the school. So as you can see, this place does not look like it looked when you left. It's a wreck here. You cleaned out your lockers, and now the cleaners are going through and they are cleaning everything. They are cleaning out all of the classrooms and everything in the classrooms. They're taking care of it all. It's kind of noisy and kind of smelly. The floors are getting shiny. But we have a long ways to go. We'll head up the stairs and see what it's like up there. They haven't started up here as much. A little bit. But things are cleared out. No people around except Mrs. Faubert. There were some custodians in. Miss B was in her room getting some things together. No, we'll go down this way. We'll go through middle school. It certainly doesn't look the way it looks when you're all here. Well, we certainly didn't think that we would have a school year like this. So Mrs. Faubert and I just wanted to say goodbye.
We miss you.
We miss you. Have a great summer.